Hi to all, this is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. Guys, welcome our super glow challenge. So we are going to start the exercises. I'm going to give you the best tip. And let's get started. Please sit in Dhyan Mudra, close your eyes. Deep inhale. Exhale. Expand your body while inhalation, contraction while exhalation. Inhale, exhale, deep inhale, exhale. Let us spread love, happiness, peace with Om chant. Om. 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 Be there for 10 seconds. Feel the positivity. Feel the vibration. Feel your body from inside. Very gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Head down. Light massage and release. So guys, Om is a beautiful mantra. We need to combine three words. A, U, Ma. A should be 50%, U 30%, rest 20% Ma. It brings clarity, positivity, happiness in our life. Let's do it one more time. Just keep your hand on your chest, guys. A sound. Deep inhale. Oo sound. Inhale. Ooh. Ma sound. Let's combine this three word. Deep inhale. Om. And release. I can assure you guys, you are going to see amazing transformation in our glow session. And we all know beauty is a process that develop inside, visible outside. So first we are going to start with our breathing exercises. All the breathing exercises are for cleansing our internal body. So the first is Kapal Dhoti Kriya. Kapal means mukh. Dhoti means purification, and my request to all of you, do this kriya along with me. Press your fingertip. That help to stimulate your sensory organ. Deep inhale. Inhalation, exhalation through your nose. We are holding our breath for 10 seconds. It allow more oxygen to get in. So let's do it again, guys. Fingertip. Press your fingertip first. Deep inhale. We are going to lock our chin while doing this kriya. Let's do it together. Deep inhale. Believe me me, you are going to see amazing result, guys. Try to do this kriya 6 times a day and do in a proper way. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Now let's do our second kriya. This we call Mahakriya. Mahakriya is the best kriya for detoxification. Let's do it. So guys, for this kriya, either you can sit in sofa asana, chair asana or vajra asana, however you are comfortable, and we have to perform this kriya before food, 10 minutes before, empty stomach thrice. Let's do it together. So I am just going to sit in vajra asana. Interlock your hand close to our navel, navel ke bilkul paas. Deep inhale. Exhale. Again, inhalation means expansion. Inhale. Exhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. Come forward. Forceful exhale. Head down. Very slowly come up. And release. So this is like one of the best kriya, Mahakriya. Mahakriya is for detoxification. It helps to clear all the toxins from our body. So my request to you, today is day 1 for your glowing session. Please do this kriya and empty stomach aloe vera juice. Amazing, guys. You are going to take 30 ml of aloe vera juice and 60 ml of water, empty stomach. Just follow it and see the good transformation. Now let's do our asana. Asanas are very important with proper coordination of our breath. So the first easy, highly effective, a very simple asana, balloon pose. But please do it with me. Fill your mouth with air and pull it upward. Try to lift your cheek up while doing this, and if you are creating line, just place your hand here. Let's do it together. Super. हर आसन सही करना है. This is important. So let's do it again, guys. Please don't create line. While doing this, place your hand, and we are not going to apply any pressure. Let's do it. Inhale, hold, then exhale through your nose only. Now we are going to perform our second exercise for glowing skin, radiant skin. Fill your mouth with, I call it my chota smile pose. So इसमें we are going to smile thoda. Let's do it. Great, guys. Hopefully you are also feeling the stretch. Just focus on your middle face. Lift your cheek up. Let's do it again. Fill your mouth and shoot a smile. Amazing, amazing asana, guys. Let's do our third pose for glowing skin. So in this pose, We are going to squeeze and you are going to hold your breath for 10 seconds. It helps to contract your all the muscle, very good for increasing blood circulation, and it helps to relax our facial muscle. Let's do it, guys. Inhale, squeeze, hold your breath. 10, 9, 8, hold your breath, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Just do the light tapping. Eye, cheeks, and chin. तो मैं आशा करती हूँ आपको आज का एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा, आपको आज का सेशन अच्छा लगा होगा. डे 2 भी हम करेंगे, लेकिन आज का क्वेश्चन आपको आज कौन सा आसन अच्छा लगा. सी यू अगेन टुमारो. थैंक यू.